Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. After 10 minutes of market open 9:28 buy call generated, green color candle open. In this chart automatically you will get calls like a signal. Daily basis it will analyze the market movement and give calls in live market. Based on a candlestick movement, based on a candlestick breakout, it will give calls. The calls will look like a signal, like a green color, red color. The green color indicates the buy trend, red color indicates the downtrend, sell trend. Today it's a November 9 market, Thursday market. After 9:28 we have received this call at 43,888. That straight white line from green color candle, that is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. It's 100 point first target, 200 point second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. The first target range is 43,998. So from 888 to 998. Let's wait and see how it work in live market. At 10:20, market has breached 43,968. So 80 point momentum has been happened. After 10 o'clock only, market started to move in bullish direction. During this direction only, this 80 point positive momentum achieved. After a volatile, after up and down direction, market finally break out the first target range. The first target is placed near 44,000. So 44,000 it break out. It took some time to break out the 44,000. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.